The TPI Model 100 is a affordable, easy-to-use digital multimeter designed for technicians that are not all that familiar with the different HVACR test and measurement procedures out in the field. This is a really good starter meter for individuals looking for something that's accurate and that's got all the safety ratings, yet is very affordably priced. The list price on the Model 100 is $49.95. It's very simple and easy to use, as it only has one single button of operation without a bunch of selector switches or different ranges that the technician needs to be aware of. The unit will measure AC and DC volts to 600 volts and also measure resistance to 40 mega ohms with a basic DC accuracy of 0.5%. It's very simple. You need to turn the unit on and you hook the test leads up to the current voltage source, and your meter will display for you whether that's an AC or a DC signal and then give you the appropriate voltage. So it's very easy. You can switch from AC to DC volts, from volts to ohms, and you will not do any damage to your meter.